Want to start coding in Python but not sure how to set it up? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In the next few minutes, I'll show you step-by-step how to install Python on Windows, connect it with VS Code, and run your very first program. Stick with me till the end, and you'll be fully ready to kickstart your coding journey today. First, open your browser and head over to python.org. Hover over Downloads, and then download the latest version of Python by clicking the big yellow button. Once downloaded, open the installer. Very important, check the box that says Add Python to Path. Then, click Install Now and wait for the installation to finish. Let's double-check the installation. Open the command prompt by typing cmd in your Windows search. In the terminal, type python -- version and hit enter. If Python is set up correctly, you'll see the version number appear. Now let us configure the Python interpreter in VS Code. Open VS Code. Click the extensions icon on the left sidebar. Search for Python and install the official extension from Microsoft. This will give you features like IntelliSense, linting, and debugging. To make VS Code recognize Python, press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette. Type Python, select Interpreter and choose the version of Python you installed. That's all it takes to connect VS Code with Python. Finally, let's test our setup. Create a new file called test.py. Inside it, write a simple print statement, like print in quotes saying "Hello world." Save the file, then run it by clicking the Run button at the top right. If you see "Hello world" at the bottom, you're all set. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Python and set it up inside VS Code. You now have a complete development environment ready to go. Remember, the hardest step is getting started, and you've already done that today. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you'll improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe Tech Tricks World for more useful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!